Begin with standing in Tadasana. Raise your arms above your head with hands in prayer. Look up at the hands for Urdhva Hastasand or the upward salute. Interlocking your fingers, raise yourself on your toes. Opening your palms, keeping a flat back, swan dive the arms. Place the palms flat on the ground. Fingertips in line with the toes. Bring the chest to press against the thighs and the weight of the body forward onto the balls of the feet. Now release your arms and move them to the sides, then back up in prayer. Bring the hands down, still in prayer position, as you stand again in Tadasana. Now, release the arms to your sides. Bend your knees and sit with your legs folded underneath you in Vajrasana. Stay here for a moment and pay attention to the undulation of your breath through your bones and muscles, organs and tissues. Swing your right arm back, followed by your left arm. Place the back of your hands on your feet as you stretch in a back bend. Hold for a moment. Swing your arms back and straighten your spine. Rest your buttocks back onto your legs. Bend forward and reach your arms straight out, palms on the floor, face down, as you relax into Shashsankasana. Raise yourself on your arms and knees, legs on the floor, face looking down, back straight as a tabletop, and your wrists, elbows and shoulders in line and perpendicular to the floor. Center your head in a neutral position. Release your head towards the floor. As you exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling. Make sure to keep your shoulders and knees in position. Coming back to neutral tabletop and sit back into Shashsankasana. Take a moment to connect to your internal self before you move into Vajrasana. Sit now on one side and extending the legs forward. Slowly lie down on your back, arms stretched out to the sides. Do Shava Udarakarshanasana on both sides. Breathe deeply and travel through your body using your mind's eye.